Good morning to all. I am Rajitha. I am working as an assistant professor of artificial intelligence and data science department in SNS College of Engineering. Today we're going to see about professional ethics subjects. Let's move on the subtopic that is sense of engineering ethics. A strong sense of responsibility affect how an employee works and the amount of works he does. When the employee feels personally responsible for his job performance, he shows up on time, puts in his best effort, and completes projects to the best of its ability. Engineering ethics is a crucial branch of professional ethics that guides engineers in their decision making process, and professional conduct. It involves the application of ethical principles and standards specific to the engineering profession, ensuring that engineers adhere to moral values and responsibility in their work. The sense of engineering ethics encompass a commitment to integrity, public safety, and social responsibility, and it's aligned closely with broader professional ethics which govern conduct across various professions. Core principles of engineering ethics. It's a public safety and welfare. Engineers are primarily responsible for ensuring the safety, health, and welfare of the public in the professional activities. These principles mandate that engineers must prioritize public well being over personal or financial gains. They must rigorously evaluate the potential impact of their projects and avoid practice that could harm individual or commitments. Honesty and integrity. Engineers are expected to demonstrate honesty and integrity in all professional dealings that includes providing accurate informations, avoiding misrepresentation of their qualification or capability, and acknowledging the contribution and work of others. Maintaining transparency and truthfulness is crucial for building trust and creditability within the professions. Competence. Engineers must only undertake tasks and projects for which they are qualified by education, experience, and expertise. This principle emphasizes the importance of continual learning and professional development to ensure that engineers remain competent in their field and can effectively address the challenge they encounter. Confidentiality. Respecting confidentiality involves protecting sensitive information obtained during professional practice. Engineers must ensure that proprietary or personal data is not disclosed without proper authorization, thereby safeguarding the interest of clients and stakeholders. Accountability and responsibility. Engineers are accountable for the decision and the action. They must be prepared to take responsibility for the outcome of their work, including any unintended consequence. The principle reinforces the need for engineers to act responsibly and ethically in all aspects of their professional ethics. Professional ethics and other disciplines. Professional ethics, including engineering ethics, share common foundation with others disciplines but also exhibit unique characteristics tailored to specific field. For example, medical ethics. Medical ethics in medical ethical principles emphasize patient autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice, while engineers focus on public safety and technical integrity. Medical professionals prioritize patient care and informed consent. Both disciplines, however, stress the importance of honesty and accountability. Legal ethics. Lawyers are bound by principles such as client confidentiality, conflict of interest avoidance, and the duty to advocate zealously on behalf of clients, although the context differs. The emphasis on integrity and responsibility parallels engineering ethics. Business ethics. Business ethics involve principles like fairness, transparency, and corporate social responsibility. Engineers working in corporate settings must navigate similar ethical consideration, balancing organizational goals with ethical obligation to the public and clients. Environmental ethics. This discipline focus on the moral relationship between human and the environment. Engineers must consider environmental impact in their project, reflecting an ethical commitment to sustainability and the protection of natural resource. Conclusion. The sense of The science of engineering ethics is integral to maintaining professionalism and public trust in the engineering field. It ensures the engineers uphold high standard of conduct, prioritize public welfare, and contribute positively to society while sharing common ethical principles with other disciplines. Engineering ethics is uniquely tailored to address the specific challenge and responsibility inherent in the practice of engineering. The specialized ethical framework ensure that engineers not only meet technical and professional standards but also adhere to moral values that support the broader well-being of society. Engineering ethics is a critical component of professional practice emphasizing a wide range of consideration to ensure that engineers uphold high standard of conduct and integrity. Here are some important points related to engineering ethics. Public safety and welfare. Engineers must prioritize the safety, healthy and welfare of public in their work. This include designing system and product that do not pose risk. Competence. Engineers should only undertake tasks for which they are qualified by education, training, or experience. They should continually improve their skills and knowledge. Honesty and integrity. Engineers must be truthful and transparent in the professional dealings. This include providing accurate information and not engaging in deep tip practices. Confidentiality. Engineers are often privy to sensitive information and must respect confidentiality agreement and protect priority information. Conflict of interest. Engineers should avoid a situation where personal interests could conflict with their professional duties. If conflict arises, they should be disclosed and managed appropriately. Environmental responsibility. Engineers should consider the environmental impact their work and strive to minimize negative effect on the environment. Ethical decision making. Engineers should use ethical principles to guide their decision making process, considering the broader implication of their action. Professional accountability. Engineers should be accountable for their work and to take responsibility for their decision and action, including addressing any mistakes or failures. Compliance with laws and regulations. Engineers must adhere to all relevant laws, regulations, and standard application to their work. Respect for intellectual property. Engineers should respect the intellectual property rights of others and ensure property attribution and licensing of ideas and invention. Social responsibility. Engineers have a role in addressing societal challenges and contributing positively to the community through their work. Transparency in reporting. Engineers should be transparent in their reporting, including disclosing any limitation, uncertainty, or potential impact of their work. Respect for colleagues and clients. Engineers should treat colleagues, clients, and stakeholders with respect, professionalism, and fairness. Avoidance of unfair practice. Engineers should avoid engaging in unfair practice such as bribery, kickbacks for favoritism, and ensure equitable treatment for all parties involved. Commitment to quality. Engineers should strive to achieve high standard of quality in their work and to delegate in their responsibility. Mentorship and development. Experienced engineers should support and mentor less experienced colleagues, fostering their professional development and ethical understanding. Responsibility society. Engineers should consider the long term implication of their work on society and strive to make positive contribution. Adherence to professional code of conduct. Engineers should follow the ethical code of guidelines established by their professional organization and association. Promoting diversity and inclusion. Engineers should support and promote diversity and inclusion within the profession and in their work environments. Continuous improvement. Engineers should engage in ongoing learning and self improvement to keep up with the advance in technology and evolving ethical standards. These points underscore the importance of ethical behavior in engineering and serve as a guide for professionals to navigate the complex landscape of their practice.